Hey folks, welcome back. My name is Krishna, and in this video, I'm going to do something a little bit different. I want to talk about a tool that I recently discovered that has been very, very helpful for me as a digital artist. And that tool is Refbox. Refbox is an application for both Mac and Windows that allows me to organize my references and have them as floating elements while I work on my composition. So right now I've got this illustrated montage. It's a work in progress, and I'm using Refbox to place this image as a floating image. So that means that if I wanted to zoom in on my actual canvas in Photoshop, I have the ability to go ahead and move things around. I can change the orientation and cropping of my reference. I can use the scroll wheel on my mouse to zoom in. I can use the space bar to move around so I can see more of the reference that I want. And it's super handy, and I can't imagine working without it, because my previous workflow would be to take my references and bring them into my Photoshop canvas. And what that does is it kind of makes it more cumbersome to work around the reference, but this is really, really nice. So this has great support in terms of being able to add references. If I wanted to just drag, say, a new reference in, I've got this image of a monster truck. All I have to do is drag it into Refbox and it just pops up. And the toolbar here gives me some affordances where if, for example, I'm working with this monster truck and let's say that I want to go ahead and flip this image, I can flip it very easily. I can also rotate it if I want. I can even control the transparency, which is super, super awesome. I can even sample colors from the image if I need to, and I can save it out. I can do whatever I need to do, right? So it's super handy when you're working with references. If I want to go ahead and see all of my references in kind of a big view, if I hold down Option Command A, this gives me kind of like a masonry view where I can see all of my references organized on my screen. If I hit Option Command A once again, it takes me back to my normal view. If I want to drag an image in to the canvas, let's say there's a small reference that I want to use and I want it on the canvas, no problem. All I have to do is hold down the Shift key and then just drag it and it plops it in place. The other nice thing about this is while it does place the image on the canvas, it's still being held in Refbox. So if I still want to pull it up, I can, which is, I think, pretty awesome. So, another reason why I like this is it also supports multi-monitors. So for example, in Refbox, if I were to select it, there is an option if you have more than one display to place your references on a separate display. So here I've got 3 displays connected to my Mac Mini. So you can see that it not only gives me the displays, but it also tells me the resolution of each of those displays, which is super handy. So this is not a sponsored video for Refbox, but as a digital artist, from one digital artist to another, I think this is a great investment in your work. You can actually uh, work more efficiently, and you can save yourself some time by actually being able to look at your references, zoom within your references, and work quicker as a result. So that's the video, Refbox. I'll put a link to it in the description down below. If you've used Refbox before, let me know what your thoughts are. And if you haven't used Refbox, give it a try. I think you might like it. That's all for now. Have a great one. I will see you in the next video.